Straight talk. When our families or our parents, they expect financial assistance from you, whether or not unayo imali yakhona, they feel entitled to it. They feel like you need to provide for them. Noma ungafanelanga ukuthi uyenze leyo nto leyo.
Mina riding ngibona ngathi into esengqondweni yabo ngoba uplan bheke ejardini abanye abantu bayibiza nge-term black tax kanti awusiza la ukhule khona kanti black tax mina ngayibeka akusinto within ifamily yabo akusinto within ifamily mosize ejardini usize ejardini.
Black tax is a form of excuse that black people make. I believe that black tax is a form of investment in our young ones.
You as an individual uthola an income and then you have to, and you really do have to ukuthi usupport abantu basendlini because thola ukuthi was a breadwinner we what.
No.
Mina ngibona ukuthi ang-affect black tax.
It does affect my life.
I don't think yang-affect.
No, I don't.
I think it's a choice. If we are ukuthi ekhaya ufuna ukubasiza financially, you can. But if you don't want to, then you don't have to. You understand? Because in most black families, sizalwa C3, C4, C5, you have younger siblings. But there's parents, umama womntwana, futhi anakekele umntwana nobaba womntwana. And then now, all of a sudden, you have to be the parent. You don't have to. It's a personal choice. If you want to, you can. If you don't, then don't.
Ngithuna izinto engibona ukuthi kumele ngizithune. Ekungamelanga ngizithune ngasabo.
I do have my young siblings and abahlali nami, so for the main factor ukuthi I'm not sure how they are, their safety, I have to make up ngemali ukuthi ngenze sure ukuthi they are well fed.
It doesn't have to have an initiation date, you understand? Expiry date, why initiate something that is not going to work for you because you feel forced to do it or they actually force you to do it? So there is no expiry date because there's no initiation date.
Black tax an expiry date. Ngoba ungathi uyabheka still mfethu izinto ezishiwo abazali nani ngeke sizibiza ukuthi black tax abazali basishiwe ezinto kulisathi yabo nathi kumele sizame the same thing to grow.
I think as much as mawuthanda ifamily yakho unconditionally, I think you should do anything for them forever and ever and ever.
Beneficiaries of a black tax, they do get comfortable, but there's other situations and factors. It is very different to be taxed by umama or puzana, for instance, you understand, that is physically able to go and work, but she decides to puza. That is the negativity, you understand. Then you come to amanye parents laba abagulayo umzimba akusakhona. That I do understand, but beneficiaries are lazy. Beneficiaries have this sense of entitlement ukuthi ngifanele ukuthi ngithole. Uyabezwa noma bakhuluma ukuthi inkulumo le ibhekiswe kuwo ukuthi yakhona manje akunakudla. Usifiso kodwa uholile, usifiso ubani ngoba umntana wala ekhaya and wena umalume. You're the beneficiary. So it's unfair. They get too comfortable, they get too lazy, and in most cases their reasoning capacity is not what I really like. I don't like it.
It's caused by the segregation of the whites and the Dutches that came and colonized our country.
Mina ngifila ukuthi it's your conscience. Umuntu owaziyo la uphuma khona, umuntu owaziyo ukuthi abantu bekade uphila nabo beniphila kanjani, benihlupheka kanjani if ever you were poor. So I think kuya nge-conscience yomuntu ukuthi you really want to do the right thing or you just want to live your life. Phila nabo sisters, nabo brothers, yabo.
Mesingathi siyabheka i-black tax iqale nini into yaningi yabo ngeke usho ukuthi ayiqale 2015 kwale 20 yabo ama-terms nje.
Black tax, there are no people who should be labeled as black tax. Why is it their white tax?
Black tax mina ngijabulisa mara i-term le-black tax akingijabulisi.
No, it does in a sense for particular people, but It doesn't, because sibuya emakhaya ahlukile, but mina la ngibuya khona impumelelo isezandleni zakho. That's what we were taught. Ukuthi yonke into mayifuna, you go get it, no matter what. There is no financial problems now. There is no, you need to make a plan. Ukuthi okay, today I wake up, it's either ngiyathengisa, it's either ngenza something. The whole ukuthi ini ayikho. Mayingekho wena wenzani ngalokho. So impumelelo isezandleni zakho, then wenza ama decision as a person. It's all up to you. It's all in your hands. And if you want to go do it, you can do it. If you don't, oh well, speculate it.
Mina ngibelieve ukuthi sonke wonke umuntu kumele ayihafe i-black tax ngoba i-term lakhona i-black tax yabo mara akusi black tax as such. It's like flying back to your family and then you give another hand stretch to the community, neighbors yabo.
I don't have it necessarily, Gimi, but for other people, I think they are begging for that opportunity. They can move out of the country or move somewhere or make everybody disappear because of the burden that they feel. You understand? Because there's a whole lot of things. And remember, when you start drifting or start disappointing, now you become the bad person. Because now you have a home, you have a family. Yes, for the last 5 years, 6 years, but now my responsibilities. Yeah, come on now, or whoever they want to blame it on. Oh, it's you because you're trying to build a life for yourself. Yes, sometimes it's a bad way of putting it. It's fine, but because you don't have that guarantee. So I think abantwana bonke abafacana ne-black tax mangavela usoniki athi amgibele ngqolo bangagibela phezulu akho babaleka.
Straight talk.
noma yini